Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over my trading for today. And as you guys can see, we are basically at break even on my account here. We had a couple losing trades over here, is what it is. I kind of saw a setup for a long and it just did not play out. So once my long was obviously stopped out, I was looking for shorts. So let's get right into the video. So as you can see here on the Trade of 8 chart, we have kind of a bit going on here. So if we zoom out for a bit, we can see that we moved all the way down here overnight, and then we pushed right back up to where we closed yesterday. And before market opened, we've kind of been selling down a little bit. I kind of saw as soon as market opened that we bounced off this pivot point. I'm like, ooh, this is a good zone. So I like to use pivot points. If you guys don't already know, pivot points are my favorite indicator. You just go on TradingView, you go into indicators, and you look up pivot points. And pivot point standard is the one I use. I just changed the color to where it is white so I can see it better. But you guys don't have to do that. So what did I see here for this long setup that I was going for? So as you can see here, I kind of saw this bear flag happen here, and we are bear flagging right on top of this pivot point. And my favorite strategy, or one of my favorite strategies, is tapping pivot point a couple times and bear flagging onto it for a move up. So I was getting long here, and we got stopped out. Unfortunately, the trend lower was too strong. That is what it is. So as soon as I got stopped out, I'm like, all right, now that we're below this pivot point, we're probably going to head down to the VWAP. So I got short. So as you guys can see here on my 1000 tick chart, this is one of the charts that I like to use during my trading. This is the one I trade on. So this is the pivot point right here, right? Pivot point is at the 45s. So 45s is right here. As you guys can see, we've kind of bounced off of it quite a few times. And I was looking for that long push up, and we didn't get that. So as soon as we broke down, I saw it retest this pivot point, and I started to get short as soon as it rejected it. And nice 1 to 3, we saw that it tapped this trend line again. I didn't get short here. I was still in the middle of that trade, so I had my stop right above this zone. So in case it did break over, I'd get out. But we continued lower. Took profit, pushed right back up towards my line here, and I got short once again for this move down here, since we've been kind of consolidating all morning until about 10 o'clock when we started to actually start moving. I took another short, a nice 1 to 3 with 2 contracts this time. Here, I was going to get short again. I just didn't like how it didn't push all the way up to my line, and that's why I kind of got out for that $9 loss. It's not, it's not the end of the world. Basically break even. And we saw it kind of bounce up here, break my line here, but I saw that price wasn't really going over 400s. 400s was holding us down here. And I looked on the book map, and there was a lot of orders still sitting down. I got short once again, and I took profit right there perfectly. That was basically how I traded today. I did see this push up again, and it couldn't get over 420s, and it sold back down. I could have gotten in for more, but I wasn't wanting to be greedy. I didn't like how it kind of pushed up and made this higher high, after it's been, making a downtrend. We kind of broke structure. So I didn't really want to get into another move. But as you guys can see here, I love pivot points. Pivot point has acted actually as support down here when I took profit. And, it's a perfect place to take profit. Put your stop losses and take profit levels is right at those pivot points, because it likes to react. But we have the VWAP up here. That's why I was looking to get short up here. Though we saw the VWAP get tapped a little bit, couldn't get over VWAP, and I could have shorted. This is my trade for today, as you guys can see. I'm on my Apex account. This is a practice account. Well, I guess not a practice account. This is a funded account challenge. So yeah, that was kind of my trade analysis for this video. If you guys, like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.